guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm over here at my cousin Russell's place today, and he has a real nice truck over here he's building. They kind of just throwed it together real quick because they wanted to put a Crown Vic swap with 67 through 72 4-truck body. And this truck was white. It looked just like my brother's truck. And, you know, everybody, it's hard to tell them apart, so he decided to paint this one black. So I'm over here today picking up some Mustang parts for our project. And I figured while I'm here, might as well show what he's doing right now. Of course, there's going to be a strip ride back to the strip in Minville. I believe it's in May. You know the date on that? May 14th or something. But y'all can look it up online if y'all want to check it out. He's going to have his truck out there. I hope to have the 55 out there. But here, of course, you see, you know, you got your 20-inch Mustang wheels. Some people like them, some people don't. 67 through 72 bump side truck. He just did a black color on the truck. The whole truck just a standard black, nothing like a tuxedo or anything. Going over the engine. You know, everything, they done it real quick, but it's still nice. You have your Crown Victoria 4.6, your Crown Vic engine, transmission, and your front suspension. All right, now going to the doors. He's got his doors already jammed out. He's already jammed his cab. Right now, you see that they're dull. He just got them water sanded. When he finishes getting all these water sanded out, he's going to put the buffer on them, and they're going to look real slick to go along with that black truck as well. Over here, he's got his hood ready, and of course, if any of y'all are familiar with the channel already, you know that, of course, what you can't see back there in the back is that Coyote swap build that I started on my channel that we're going to do on our 66. Well, I ended up selling it to him because he's going to be building a bump side truck like this. So when he starts doing further progress, I'll come back over here and check that out as well. But a lot of people, when they do the Crown Vic, this is still your factory Ford truck frame. Well, here's the fuel tank. What he done, he mounted the fuel tank with all the lines inside his bed. A lot of people mount them back here in the frame. What he's going to be doing is putting basically like a toolbox in the bed to kind of hide this, so you won't ever even know that it's back there. Back here on the bed, he's welded up his seam all along because you have that little seam that you put seam sealer in, which it takes a whole long time to get that done. Well, it's already been water sanded down mostly. He's working on that right now. And of course, in here in the bed, here's his straps for his tank. Basically, when he gets that toolbox into here, it's going to cover up that, and you'll never know that that gas tank's back there, which may be something that we'll be doing on our 55. We're not real sure exactly where we're going. But that's basically what it is on that. So he's got his hood ready. He's ready to be putting some compound on and some polish, get this thing in black, real shiny, ready for back to the strip. But that's pretty much it. I just want to come over here and kind of do a video real quick while I'm here of what he's got done to his truck. And then on strip night, we're going to do another video of it and check it out when he's got it all together. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you have any questions over anything in this video, just hit me up and I'll be sure to get back with you. Thank you for watching.